Okay, hello. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Let me call the rest. Let me call Nayumi and what's her name? And Umaira. Hold on, just one moment. Umaira. Hold on. Okay. So Auni, when are you going back to school?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow there's school already.
Yeah, first day tomorrow.
First day of school. And okay, what about is oh, she's still connecting to the okay. Hello Nayumi. What? Okay, we're gonna start with symmetry. Have you all done symmetry? Yes. No. Okay.
I forgot.
Amara, you okay, Amara? Yes. Now we're gonna start with symmetry. Yeah.
Where's Umaira?
Umaira, I don't know. I just sent her what reminder. Her mother.
I think I forgot what is symmetry.
Okay. Symmetry means a pattern that can look exactly the same when you cut an object. For example, down here.
Oh yeah, that one.
We draw a line down here. This top part is the same as the bottom part, correct? So that means this is symmetrical. You can cut something into two exact parts, like that. So this one you cut is exactly, if you fold it up, it'll be exactly the same. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some objects. You write yes or no, okay? That means in your answer A, you write A, yes. B, no, or whatever.
In the chat.
Then I will check. We're going to do, okay, now. We try A, B, C, D. Are they symmetrical or not? Okay, let's see. Okay, A, okay. All right, that one we already agree, yeah? What about the rest? One we okay. What about Amara and Yumi? Yes, Umaira says she's joining. Okay. But lagging. Okay. What happened lagging? Okay. Okay, well done, Amara. Well, Amara just scored a goal. So what about Naomi? Which ones are symmetrical? Okay, so we go through one by one. So this
It's so hard to like figure out if this is symmetrical or not.
symmetrical. Okay, this one yes. This one you can divide equally into two. You will fold it, it'll be exactly two. Right? This one you're correct, huh? Okay, yeah. All of you give the same answer. The last one, what about the last one? Auni, we're waiting for you. The last one. This one, if down here you fold, this thing will fold like that, right? It won't be like it won't be the whole thing, right? It will only be a part only, right? So it's not. What about this one? Yes. Actually, you fold it, you can fold it up exactly. So yes, yes, no. Yes, yes, no, yes. Okay, well done. So it's quite simple actually, but later we're going to go to a little bit tougher ones. Okay, so in fact, you can do this experiment. Let's say now you put watercolor, watercolor, your pen. You squeeze your pen here and then you press and you pull it up. You'll find that you get the same symmetrical figure. Okay, now you try the next four while I will message Miss Omaira. She is asking me for what. Okay. All right, let me see what is. Oh, let us see your send answer. I didn't see. Wow, so fast, Naomi. Let us see. G, you agree? You think it's symmetrical? You sure G is symmetrical? I don't know. You think about it. Naomi, you think G is symmetrical? Okay, what about Amara? Amara. Amara. Okay. Auni, all right, EF, okay. Amara, well done. Amara, are you sure about E? What about E? Are you sure it's symmetrical? Hmm. Remember, if you have down here, this one is very short, this long. So this one is not symmetrical, huh? Mara, this one not symmetrical. If it's symmetrical, it'll be like that lah, something like that. But this one is not, you see. You'll be also the angle will be like that. Yeah. Okay, our knee, all
Why
right.
Umaira still haven't entered? It's like, is her computer lagging?
Umaira, yeah, she
Yeah.
say lagging. Now you mentioned her name and then her thing came out.
What
Okay.
thing?
She just pop up like now.
Oh.
You see? You have you know what they call karama. Karama macam special powers gitu. Special, like, have you heard of Habib what? Habib No. You heard of Habib No? Sorry. You know Habib No. You know what's where's Habib No's mosque? Now? There's one near Tanjung Pagar.
No, I
No,
don't
you don't
live
know.
there.
Oh yeah, I know
So
you
I
don't
don't
live
know.
there. Maybe you might have gone there.
No,
This
I
person
haven't.
was living during Stanford Raffles time.
Ooh.
Okay, later I'll show you. I think
Okay.
maybe Umaira may know about this. Because some of the Muslims didn't know. Maybe some Muslims say, no, this is not true.
Hi,
But
Umaira.
hello, Umaira. Are you okay, Umaira? Umaira very serious nowadays. Huh?
She's
She cannot hear
eating
us.
something.
She cannot hear us. She cannot hear us. Okay, Umaira, you can hear. Okay. All right, we are now going through what symmetry. Symmetry, right, Umaira? Whether they can be exactly
I know
divided into
symmetry
two.
now. I remember back.
Okay, so this one we run through the answers. This one no, because this is shorter, this is longer. Cannot be. This one very nice, very nice. Cut into two. Well done. This one cannot be lah. If it's like
What?
that, it will be like this lah, like that.
What is that?
No. This is called hexagon, pentagon, five-sided figure. This one, yes, are just nice. You divide, you can fold it up here. So imagine now, if you don't believe, you cut out this shape. Okay, you can print it out. Let's say you draw this shape, print it out, and then you draw a line in the center. Try to cut. If it falls exactly, that means it's symmetrical. So this is symmetrical too. All right, we move on to the next one. Umaira, have you heard of Habib Noor? Yeah, I told you. I told you, right? She heard about it.
She always knows a lot of stuff.
Okay, Habib Noor,
Don't you?
you been to the mosque? Is there a staircase going up? You went up there?
Always since I was young.
Okay. You are sick, what? Are you sick?
Sore throat lah.
No, I thought I was.
Talking
There
too
was.
much.
I shout too much.
Oh, then don't talk too much.
All right.
If not, you
We
sakit
try.
more.
We try this one now. This
Oh,
one
it's
are some
letter.
letters. Are they symmetrical? Can you divide them into 2 equal parts?
What is that you eating, Umaira?
Obat. Ini makan obat. Ya?
Is it like chocolate or what? Yum,
Apple.
apple.
The way she eat, it make it feel you can be in an
It makes it feel yummy. I like apples.
The way she eat, she's eating something actually not nice. Actually, but the way she eat, I think you want to eat it also. But anyway,
This apple is very nice. It's very juicy.
Juicy
that
apples.
doesn't sound like the real Umaira. That sounds
What
like
do you mean?
Yeah, that sounds like a sick Umaira. It's like a different Umaira lah.
Try talking, Umaira. Try talking. Say something.
But
Yeah, you're right, Cho. The voice
Okay.
is not the same.
Not the same. Okay, Amara has completed A and B. Congratulations, Amara. What about the rest? I will show A, B, and C and D. Where are they?
Naomi always off her video.
Hey, Umaira, don't write down here. Aduh,
Umaira.
gitu. You go sabar everyone. She say, I know. No, who is this? Hey, sick girl, don't do that lah.
I'm not sick.
Yeah.
Yes, you are sick.
You sound very sickly.
Yeah.
Are you going
Your
to school
voice is
tomorrow?
different.
You have school tomorrow, no, Umaira?
Yeah, Umaira has to go to school tomorrow because
No.
our primaries must go to school tomorrow.
But she's sick. You cannot go. I will write you a letter later, okay?
I don't want.
You want to go to school?
I don't want to go to school.
I want to go.
I don't want to go. I don't want to go because it's a bit boring there.
Boring. Wow.
It's boring.
School is
Boring.
your school is so interesting.
My school is not interesting. It's just full of, and the teachers a bit changed this term.
Yeah, lah, they have to change. Teachers
I
come
want.
and go.
I want to go to school because at store number 7 they sell everything. Waffle with whipped cream.
That's your school. Your school is MOE school, right? They sell that stuff lah. My school don't sell those stuff.
Got jelly and all.
Mm.
Oh, sushi also. Got sushi, got epok-epok, got onde-onde.
That's yummy.
Got a lot.
I think I would want to be schooling at your school.
And the best thing is the P1 to P4 will not be there to get it.
Okay, come. Let's try A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay, well done to Naomi, Aoni, Sarah. Okay, and I think
Why do you
Umaira
have
has
to?
shown us all the answers, so we agree. So therefore, as Cikgu Umaira says,
Cikgu again. She's not cikgu.
there see the Cikgu is doing it again.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay, so Cikgu have done it.
No, she's just.
Okay, okay, well done. So actually, symmetry is very easy. Okay, it's very, very easy. So we do a last one, but Cikgu don't write anything, huh, Cikgu? If you do that,
She's not the cikgu. You're the cikgu.
yeah, but I'm scared sometimes she take over. She has that power.
No, she doesn't. She just writes it for fun, right?
Let's see. Let us see. Wow, who is the? Wow, this person very fast. Oh,
Umaira! Hey, do you write a dot or what?
The dot.
Yeah, I think you wrote a dot. Can I say that this is where everything is correct because it looks like everything is correct?
are you sure? Let's see what Cikgu says. Cikgu,
No.
if Cikgu said all, okay, well done to Miss Amara, she's the first one who got it correct. She's the fastest on them all. Eduna. No.
Umaira writes every time.
She's a naughty cikgu lah.
How can she be a cikgu? Keeps
Can you
writing.
imagine if you have a naughty cikgu in school now?
How? What would it be like?
Yeah, I think it'll be quite.
The nonsense cikgu would be like, don't this be like.
Auni, G, are you sure you answer G? Z and G, I think they. Okay, let's. Umaira says
G, I put no.
XHB. What are you writing, Umaira? XHB, what is that? See, this is naughty cikgu lah, this girl. What about Auni? Naomi.
Sorry, just testing it.
Okay, so
Anyways.
we go one by one lah.
Naomi, why you don't on your video? Because
This one is
what
correct.
is XHB?
How come?
No, that's wrong.
Okay, correct.
Mr. Shahid,
Yeah.
how come now the P5 class got more people?
P5 plus, because P4 when I first started, I'm not too sure at primary 4. I do not know whether the students are able to be managed or not. I'm just afraid they'll be running all over.
No.
So,
How come
What you mean?
How come the P5 class now got more people, including Mayumi?
including Naomi. Okay, because
You mean Naomi just joined the P5 class?
you want it to be less person. You want you and Shalina, yeah.
No, I'm just wondering.
Okay.
Who's
Because
Shalina?
actually
P5.
that I realized, okay, this is now, I've been observing one particular student. This class P5 was specially held, I especially have it for one particular student. And I found out that this particular student, when there are other students around more, she becomes better. He or she becomes better. And so I think that we should have more. If it's all alone, let's say with me, I still do not know whether it's going to work or not. What do you think?
It's so funny that that boy started muting and
Okay.
background.
Background.
Why are you annotating?
Down here, look, Auni, if
Oops.
let's say this one is not around, okay, let's say now, Auni, I'm going to draw this. If you're confused by this, right, Auni? Down
Why?
here now, I
Why?
remove this. I
You can
remove this
remove
and
it.
I remove this. And
You
I
can remove
draw
all
something
those
like this.
stuff.
Can you see now, Auni? This one then shows that it is symmetrical. Can you see now? Can you see, Auni?
Yee.
Can you see? This one,
Ah,
this is symmetrical. But if let's say we remove this, can you see this is not symmetrical? Because down here you're
Are you
supposed to
right?
up. Auni! Yeah,
yeah.
Auni not focus, Auni. This one, can you see now?
Yes.
Down here, if we have a mirror image, it have to come out
Yeah.
like that. This thing have to go up here and then go down here. This thing there is not here. If you have a mirror image, if it's symmetrical. You see that this part down here now, let me. Where is this part here? Where? Down here there isn't anything here, so this is not symmetrical. In order for this to be symmetrical, okay, I'm going to show you how to make it symmetrical. Watch out. I'm going to remove this part here. Can you see now?
You can erase that part.
Yeah, I'm using white actually. I cannot
Okay.
erase. I'm just using white color to. So now imagine, Auni, can you see now? I want to make it symmetrical. How do I do it? I follow the line. Oh, this goes up this way. Then this one goes up this way. It becomes the letter M. Letter M is symmetrical, but Z is not.
Wait, Mr. Shahid,
Yeah.
erase the red color line first.
Okay, I erase. You are gonna show us. Okay, Cikgu is gonna show us. Okay, show us.
What? Cikgu again?
I
Wait,
don't know whether Cikgu.
This
gonna
cikgu
show
is
us.
not nonsense, sir. How can she be cikgu?
See what the Cikgu do. Okay, you draw. Make it symmetrical. Umara.
Good boy.
You also can.
Which one C?
H.
H.
H
How does that
can
do?
make it symmetrical lah. Now she has removed the first part there. So can you who is that? Correct. That's yes. Some more. Okay,
Like that?
but this one the bottom part too long lah. This one too long lah. But never mind lah. You get the idea lah. She's
I
drawing.
cannot. I don't know how to do.
Okay, more or less you understand, right? Only is supposed to be like that lah. Once you do Z,
No,
is not.
how can that be? Letter Z. Umaira, look at what you did.
Yeah, now becomes Z Cacat. Kesian si Cacat. Okay. Later we will cover about Habib Noor. Okay, I'll just tell you a little bit. And Umaira can tell you because she had been there.
Yeah, Umaira, tell us later.
Later you tell us about Habib Noor. Why is he so special? Later lah, not now.
And who is he?
He lived during Raffles' time. He's what we call a wali Allah. But maybe some of your parents may not believe.
Wait, but usually
Who's Wali Allah?
Okay.
before I have my two siblings, I always go there with my mother and my father, and then like this, Habib will always sit next to the door and always give me candy, like a lot of candy.
The one who jaga the mosque, huh?
Yeah.
Well done, Naomi. Naomi has come in first. Anyone else?
What? Oh, see. I listened to Umaira's story until I didn't do.
You got to be careful because Umaira has the power. Have you heard of the story of the, what is it, the pipe piper?
Yeah.
She's the pipe piperess. Be careful, she plays a
Sure,
flute.
does my specs look different?
You look good. You look like a professional girl.
That's because my
Professional lah,
mom
your
wanted
specs.
me to have this type of specs.
Last time, what was your specs like? How was your specs like?
I still keep it, but it's a bit smaller and different color.
That's good. Well done. Umaira, are you sure B? Hey, cikgu, come on lah, cikgu. Don't be like that lah, cikgu.
What cikgu? What she do? Umaira, try annotating. Cikgu
Amara,
say,
well done. Naomi, well done. So Naomi and Amara, you become the new cikgu lah.
yeah, sorry, I meant, what does that mean, Umaira?
I don't know what she's saying. I sorry. Yeah, sorry, meant only. Yeah, do not know lah. Okay, but
You
what
can
about
just
Auni?
say it.
Auni, what about yours, Auni? Is A symmetrical, Auni?
Yep.
B?
Yep.
Are you sure? You look, this is
Oh,
your
no,
own
no, no,
pair of
no,
shoe.
no. No, it's not.
It's not, because if you look at your own
Only
face,
A,
even
that's
your
fine.
face, if you look at your face, don't think about your right face same as left face. No.
Umaira.
Yeah,
This
this
is
one is
what
not.
I did.
So how to know? Well, you look down here, down here. Can you see? Okay, let us go one by one. Can you see that this thing is curved down here? This one is more straight, right?
Oh,
This one
that's
is curved, yeah.
Oopsies.
This one now is moving in. It's not curved out. If it's curved out, then it'll be okay. See, why is that? Because that's the shape of your foot. Your foot cannot be symmetrical, something wrong. Even your face, no? If you look at the mirror, you put your mirror at the side like that. Okay, I will take a mirror now. Yeah, I'll show you.
Why do you
tell
want
me-
to take the mirror?
I need to show you. Let me see.
Do you?
I have this mirror in the plastic bag. Okay, while you are doing the next one, I will
What?
go ahead and get the mirror.
Sure, where's the screen?
Okay, you try now.
Aw. Thank you.
Okay, just a moment. This mirror is not here.
What mirror?
Mirror cannot.
Sheesh. Huh?
I can't get the mirror. I'm so sorry. It's in a plastic.
How do we know?
It must be okay. I will show
I don't
you.
know. This one looks so similar.
Which one?
See.
See. Okay, you ask yourself. Imagine you have a ruler lah. Okay, imagine you have a ruler. I measure how many cm. Go up. Oh yeah, this one also go up. Symmetrical, right? Then from here, go is the tip of the hair. Down here, go up this way. There's no hair. Can you see
Oh.
not? I go up down here. I have hair down here. I go up down here. I got chin. So this is not symmetrical. You see down here. I go up down here. Up. I get the nose. I go up down here. I get the back of the head. Hey, these are not symmetrical. Although it's the same image, the face must face this way. Then it becomes symmetrical. This face must face this way. Then it becomes symmetrical. So this is not.
Specifically, I don't know.
What about this one?
Just
Is this symmetrical? Now
Maybe.
a human
I think.
face cannot be symmetrical. Okay, let us look at we look at can we look at okay. Miss okay, you stop chewing. Okay, let us look
Stop
at
eating.
you look at Umaira's face. Now we observe. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo of her face. Okay, and then I'm gonna share. Okay, Umaira, ready? Myra, your head, can it be down a little bit? Okay. I'm going to take a photo. Smile, and okay, very good. Very good. Okay,
That's
now
not even smiling, Myra.
she was shocked lah. She was shocked.
I know.
Sometimes she gets shocked, no? Or shocked. Maybe
Sure.
shocked or shocked. Okay, here we go.
Why
Let
Amara
us-
so quiet?
Amara is a quiet girl. Okay,
Who
now can you see Amara now? Yeah? We draw now. We try, we check. You look at the hair. Can you see the hair? Down here is longer. Down here is short. It must be long like that lah. Let us look at the lips. Can you see one part? It's not exactly the same, you know. Let us look at the
Why
eye.
your face so blurry?
Let us see. We look at the eye. Can you see not? The left eye and right eye is slightly different. Do you notice
Oh,
that?
Myra.
Can see not?
Hey, stop that.
Hey girls, can you all see that the left eye is different from the right eye? The right eye is slightly bigger. The left, so it's not symmetrical. If you were to cut her into two, the left side and right side are not the same. Even the nose, okay? That means she's a human being. She's not a clone. If the clone, that means, or maybe you have a robot, the left and right side is the same. Let us look at the eyebrow. Let us look at maybe her nose lah. Her nose is it straight? It looks like it, but this is normal. This human being, okay? A human being is not exactly the same, you know. So you remember that, if yourself you look in the mirror, you are exactly the same.
No, use Auni.
Auni, okay,
Hey,
Auni.
use me.
Okay, Auni, come. Okay, wait, Auni, hold on. Later we take Amara also lah. Okay, Auni, hold on. Oh, where's Auni? Okay, Auni, smile, Auni, come. Why? You cannot move.
Wait.
Okay, we try. Auni, Sarah, where she went to? Ni?
Wait, I'm still here.
Okay. You must try not to laugh. Can hear her laughing in the background. Myra, I think you can.
Here, Myra, what's that you eating now?
Okay, come, Auni, your head up later. I got to take a photo. Okay. Don't move.
I'm eating bread with soup.
Okay. Well done. Garlic bread. Okay, so now we look at another girl. Okay, later we will check also lah the other girls also. We also check. Okay, now down here. Let us check Miss Auni. Mana ni? Okay, down here. Now, let us see.
It's like a school picture.
Can you look down here? There seems to be a slight dimple down here. Where is it here? You don't have it here. And then this side, the lip, it go up a little bit. Can you see that? This side is not so up, right?
Oh, Myra.
Now Umaira is checking the eyebrow. Okay. The nose. You can see that the nose. The nose down here, the circle is different from here. The eye, so you look at the eye. This one down here and this one. Can you see it's not exactly the same? This is closer to down here. This one is further. Do you notice that? So your face is not symmetrical. Maybe let's try. What's the name? Amara. Amara, come. We take a photo of you, Amara. Amara, come. You don't want to take a photo of you. You look up a little bit. We want to check, are you symmetrical or not? Okay, hold on. Smile. Must I look straight? Smile. How come look so sad? Look happy a little bit. You are sad because Myra and Auni
What?
okay, alamak. She's not so clear, but then might we try. It's not so clear lah. I think we try. You see, if you are that thing, because I think you move a little bit. Now you're making a face down here. But down here, can you see? Never mind. We just try also. Can you see that your... we try the nose first. Okay, this one, the eyes, we cannot see clearly. But the forehead also you can see now. The forehead, not exactly. There's more hair down here. You realize that? There's less hair here. Look at the nose. The nose looks a little bit similar, but it's not. The lips down here is more lips we can see here, less down here. This means you're a normal human being. If you are exactly the same, that means you better be careful. You're not like a robot. What about Naomi? Naomi, are you there, Naomi? Can we take a photo of you, Naomi?
Naomi.
Mr. Shagir,
Yes.
Can you
Mr.
go to
Shakir, when will you tell us the story?
Okay, I'll tell you, yes.
Oh, wait, Mr. Shaggy. Can you go to Google and search symmetrical people person?
Symmetrical people,
Yes,
okay.
please.
Are you saying there's such a thing as symmetrical people?
I
I
don't
just want to know.
Okay, let us see.
I just
Let us
want to
see.
see.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Symmetrical
people.
people.
Are they impossible? Let me see. If this one, that means it's a mirror image. We look at this one. This is now the original. If you make it symmetrical, no, this is original. They don't look the same, right? You look at the nose down here. It's closer here, it's not. Down here, how many wrinkles are there? How many wrinkles are here? So can you look at the lines here? These are very deep lines. Down here, less lines. Down here, oh, this is symmetrical. Oh, they make this symmetrical. This is the real person. This is symmetrical. Okay. This one is symmetrical. Because this is not a real person. This one, they make the image the same down here. You see the lines down here?
So cool. They edit.
They edit.
Can you
see the lines down here? Exactly. Can you see the center now? His hair is not center, no? Not center parted. In fact, they just put the image. So this is symmetrical. This one is symmetrical. Can you look at the nose? Exactly the same. This one, the nose is slightly sengat. Don't be upset if let's say your nose is slightly sengat, then you want to go to a plastic surgeon. Don't. Allah made you that way. That's normal. You look at the eyes down here. Okay, let us see the eyes.
Wait, can you look for another person?
Another person, okay.
Another person would be.
Okay. We look at this one. You see natural or unnatural. This girl, it looks. Where is the girl? This one. Where is it? Okay, we look at this girl. Can you see the symmetrical one looks quite scary, you know? This is symmetrical. No? Exactly. Can you look at it? It doesn't look natural. The left one looks natural. Look a little bit scary, right? You realize that? You see the eyes are same. This is actually what? Symmetrical. Just the face, the hair, they did not make it. But you look, there's something wrong with the person. There's something wrong. Look at this one. This looks natural. So if you are symmetrical, something is wrong with you. Let us see. You tell me, on the left or right is symmetrical?
Wait, Mr. Shahid, go to the just now one. Yeah, look at this.
What?
This looks like a.
This one looks like a man like that. No? He looks like a man.
Yeah, she's not even smiling.
No, this one is not. The hair they made it look like this lah, but actually it's not. It's only one side.
It looks like a circle.
Yeah, to some degree it's like a circle. But scary, yeah? Okay, we look at this one. Let us see. This girl. Which one is symmetrical, left or right?
Left.
Symmetrical.
Yep.
I think what's symmetrical is this one now here. This one looks normal, I think. Or both are symmetrical. I'm not too sure.
Both can't be symmetrical.
Or maybe both are symmetrical.
Why?
I do not know lah. Okay. All right, here we go. That's not the one on this guy.
Habib, no.
Okay, this one is the real. I think the real person. I think. You can see the difference. Okay, you want Habib No?
Yeah, tell us the story, Joe.
Okay, Habib No actually lived during the time of Stamford Raffles. Okay, he's
Habib No.
Okay, Habib No.
I thought it's Habib Noor.
Okay, depends on how you pronounce it. So down here now, this is the steps. This is in Singapore. Now, down here, you can go up the steps. His body.
That's a mosque.
Yeah, his body is buried here. Now, what happened when he died? They tried to lift the coffin. They cannot.
But it was too heavy.
It was too heavy. See, she knows the story. I told you, right? She knows.
Wow.
What
Then
happened?
Umaira, you also tell the story a bit lah.
Okay, what happened after that? You tried to carry the thing, then too heavy. Then what happened?
Because he wanted to get buried something.
Yeah, he wanted to be buried there, but the land now did not belong to him. It belonged to someone else.
They wanted to dig it out.
And then they wanted to carry him and bring him to another place to bury, but too heavy. So many men carry too heavy. Then what happened, Myra?
What happened?
Finally, they bought the land. They bought the land, and then they can carry the coffin. And then they can bury there. So this is where he's buried. You got to take a steps up here. This one is a steps. Now you can walk up here, and this is not the mosque. This is called like say a keramat. Okay.
Makam.
A makam. Yes, makam. Yes.
What's that?
a place where the holy man is buried lah. So there's one out here. There's another relative of him, a woman at the back. Below is the mosque. Okay, you can go to the mosque and you can find very interesting stories.
Where's the
What
mosque
interesting
at?
stories? You know, there's a story when the British used to put him inside jail. He lived during their first time, 1820 something. What happened the next day? You put him
What
inside
happened?
jail. The next thing, the police officers realize he's outside the jail walking about. So they give up trying to put him into jail. This is called special karamat. Now you can call it karamat. Special powers Allah gave to who? To some of his chosen ones. But you say, I thought only prophets have that. Well, that is something that different Muslims have different ideas about. So some of your parents will believe yes. Some might even want to pray or talk to a person saying, please don't do that. He's a holy man. Yeah? He's a holy man. He's a holy man.
Ayumi left.
No, she's coming back. So that is Habib Noor. If you want to go to Habib Noor, you take MRT to Tanjung Pagar, and then it's about 5 minutes walk. This is the old site. Can you see that? The old site, the old picture. This is probably how he looks like. We do not know. I think this is someone he came from Penang, I think. This is his grave. People will visit and put flowers.
Wow.
But some people, even non-Muslims, they go there, they start praying to him. That is wrong. You cannot pray to a human being, you must pray only to Allah. Non-Muslims, they say, hey, there's this, a few person, they got sickness. They went there. After that, they got cured. They go and worship him. That is wrong.
But why they
do that,
worship
right?
him?
Yeah, you cannot worship like Prophet Jesus. Some people go worship him. He's just a
Prophet Isa.
man. Prophet Nabi Isa, he's only a man.
I
Although
think because the non-Muslim believe that because he prophet, that's why they believe it. Yeah.
We believe he's a prophet, but he could do many things. The Quran tells us he can even cure the blind people, those people with illnesses. He can even raise the dead. No, a dead body, he can cause it to
That
come
would be
back to life.
scary.
Yeah. And as a baby, we are told in the Quran, he talked. Can you imagine a baby? Yeah. Sekali talk. My name is so you might be wow, it might be scary. But he's a prophet of Allah, so it's different. Habib Noor is not no prophet, it's just a holy man. Are there holy men like that all over around the world? Yes, they are. But they're not show off, They don't show off. I met a few of them. Very nice. The one I met is Habib Ali in Batu Pahat. I drove there and then I wanted to ask him for some advice.
What advice?
Yeah, it's a very personal thing. I can't tell you. Otherwise. But anyway, that was a long time back. And you know what he said to me? He didn't ask for money, nothing. He says, why don't you bring a friend? I say, why? Why do you think? Even they advise you, they do not want to embarrass you, no? Because if they tell to you direct, they know sometimes what you have done. Sometimes if Allah allow them to happen, get that special thing. But anyway.
What do you
But
do?
anyway.
I did bad things sometimes. I did bad things. And
Are you sniffling?
yeah. Okay, this case down here, this is a doll. This doll.
That's a cute doll.
Yeah,
No,
a doll is made in the
it's
factories,
really
right?
not a doll.
Yeah,
It's
so
more like a creepy.
creepy.
doll.
Okay, creepy.
Yeah, sometimes
process.
there are creepy dolls though.
Yes. So how to check whether it's symmetrical or not? You can use your ruler. You measure the distance here. You measure the distance here. Oh, this one about the same. You measure the distance here. Measure the distance here. Oh, it's the same. So this is symmetrical. And if it's a real animal, it cannot be because Allah did not create it that way. Human being, even your left hand and right hand is different, right? Right? So remember that. Even identical twins, they are not exactly the same. One might have two. Yes. One might have two types.
But they look.
Okay, what about this one?
But some of them are though, right?
Yeah. This one is symmetrical. Yes, it is. Okay. Symmetrical. Now, how do we know? If you're not so sure, use a
Get a
ruler.
drink.
Huh?
Can I go get a drink?
Yeah. Use a ruler, measure. Let's say this one 2 cm. You measure this one 2 cm or so. You measure down here 3 cm. This one will be 3 cm. Also.
Sure.
Yeah.
Can I go toilet?
Go. Who is that? Naimi, I can't even see you. If you go toilet also, I don't know. But yeah, that means she's concentrating. This one, symmetrical or not? No, right? Because you can look at the flame. Look at the flame. Okay, you can see down here is a curve. We should have a curved flame here also, but it's not. So this is not. Okay, we move on. We move on because it's already 40 minutes have passed. Do you think it's symmetrical? If it is, you say like yes, no, yes, no, yes, yes. What is it? Umaira, you look scary, Umaira. Please don't do that, Umaira. I see your whole face. There's one big eye. I say, what is it? She's a Dajjal. Don't say that. Hello. Hey, scary lah. Amara, you scared of her, Amara? Amara, you look at Umaira. Do you get nightmares? You see, Amara's crying already lah. Please. Myra, don't be a Georgie Porgy making the girls cry. Amara crying, no? Amara, don't cry, huh?
Are we need to do this?
Yeah, okay. Tell us whether it's
in the
symmetrical or
box.
not. Is it yes? Is this symmetrical? Okay, we do together lah. This one. Yes, you agree? Symmetrical?
Which
First
one?
This first
Yeah.
one. Okay, so yes, huh? This one?
First one yes, last one yes, middle one no.
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 Middle one, no. Huh? So if this is symmetrical, have to be like that. Now, how many lines of symmetry can you get? Many, no. Infinite. You can cut it this way. You can cut it this way. You can cut it this way. This way. This is infinite. That means you can have so many lines of symmetry for this one. Okay, we move on next one. I'm scared I'm losing you guys. Huh? Am I losing you guys?
I will we lose. No.
Okay.
Left.
All right. B.
Get down.
B. Yes or no? Yes or no?
What? B?
Ah.
I want to answer.
Yeah.
Okay, Umaira, you tell me. Yes or no? Umaira say yes. This one?
No. Can I do
No.
it the annotations instead, please?
Okay, you do yes. Later you do the C lah. Umaira say yes for the second one. What about third one? Okay, so now how to do this second one? Is it symmetrical or not? You use a ruler. You measure from here to here, how many cm? Then you try from here to here. There's nothing down here. There's nothing here. This one is not symmetrical. Can you see not? I measure from the line. I use a ruler, measure. There's a 2 cm. I measure 2 cm here. There's nothing. So this is not symmetrical. Down here, watch. I measure half cm. I measure half cm. There's no line here. This is not symmetrical. I measure down here. See, from here to here. Okay, this is let's say 1 cm. I go 1 cm. There's nothing here. So this is not symmetrical. Do you understand how to do that? You measure from the line of symmetry. You measure. This one, of course, is not. How come this cikgu put yes?
Is
Hello.
Wasim there?
Yes, Wasim is here.
Aduh,
I brought him in the room.
Wasim should not be there.
Oh my God, why do you even talk
Now
about
look at this. Look at this. This straight line. You check. You draw a line here. See, down here there isn't anything, man. So this is not symmetrical. You draw 1 cm from here. Can you see? Down here there is no 1 cm, no line here. So this is not symmetrical. Only the first one is symmetrical. Let us see. Auni, you try the next one.
Okay.
Auni, you see whether you can do it. If you can, you become a cikgu.
Oops.
Do you want to become a teacher?
No!
No, why?
God, no, I don't want to.
Aduh.
It's going to be hard.
We try now. First one, is it symmetrical now?
Oh, wait, sorry.
I want to do.
No!
Hey, let Auni do lah. That's how you do.
See, you already do so many times already. Until you even kacau Mr. Shakib when he wanted to do.
Dude, who's that?
Oh my God!
Okay, Auni, first one you say no. Okay, second one?
Boy, you are so annoying sometimes, Umaira.
Second one, how?
Is it the same or not? Yeah.
Amara, what do you think? Second one, Amara. Amara and Auni lah. Naomi, so nice. I do not know where you are. Is she still in the toilet? I don't know.
She went to the toilet. Whoa!
Okay,
Sim,
yes.
don't get right, this thing.
What about the third one?
You are so annoying sometimes. Okay, I think
Okay.
that's
So let us see. What do? You take your ruler. Okay, I want you to take your ruler. Let's say you have a ruler. You put your ruler like that. No. Imagine now your ruler is like that. You know what I'm talking about? You must put like that. Then you measure. Down here to here, let's say half cm. Half cm, correct? So this one, next one, let's say now, you use your ruler down here, or 2 cm. You go 2 cm down here. Oh, it's in. Now, who is the one coming in now? Humaira. Okay, so now can you see this one down here? You measure how many cm? You measure the same thing? It's the same. This is correct. Down here, can you see now? You measure from here to here. You must put your ruler this way. This one, you got to put your ruler this way, okay? Must be always along the line. You measure here and you measure here, there's nothing on the left side. So it's not. From here to here, you measure, let's say 2 cm. Then you do the same thing down here, there's nothing there. So this is not symmetrical. Same thing down here. You have to put your ruler like that. Along the line, then you measure from here to, let's say, here. Not even 1 cm. I put down here, nothing there. Down here, this down here must have something, some line here also, you know, like something like, you know. So this one is not symmetrical. This one is symmetrical, not symmetrical. Okay, we will do other things now lah, because I think symmetry is go toilet. Okay, this one I won't go through this one. Okay? Why? This one got to draw lah. We cannot draw.
Who draw? Drawing
Okay, now we do a review. Okay, remember we have done decimals, and now we have finished sort of symmetry lah. You're quite a champion in symmetry, but later I'll test you all lah. Symmetry. Can you try this one? What is the decimal here? You try A and B, please. We have another 40 minutes then.
Hey, where's Amara?
Amara.
Where did she go? Why is everyone not here?
Nayumi, are you there?
Amara is going to the toilet. Then Naomi don't on her video. Amara, I don't know. Did she disappear?
I do not know where they have gone. I think Amara is on the floor. Amara, wake up.
Tell Amara to let us see her face.
Come on, Emma, we will revise. The more you revise, the better you get, Ms. Oni. So even if the rest are not here, you can do it.
Naomi.
Naomi is there.
Yeah, Naomi is there.
Oh, Naomi is there, so.
Oh, are we supposed to do the decimal again?
Yes, please try, because once you go back to school, hey, don't say.
Yes.
You send me answer. Don't tell
I don't know how to do this. I forgot.
Okay, you count out of here. This one you count. If you don't know, you count. What does it mean? 1 plus 1, 2. Then this one?
0, 1, 0, 1.
0.2.
0, 4.
But 0.4, yes, not 0.2.
Then?
Then the next one is 0.02.
2.
So add them up together. How to add them up? You write down now. 2.
That's confusing.
0.4 down here. The dots must be in line. Then you say, what about the 2? The 2 doesn't have a dot. The 2 have a dot, but we don't need to write it. The 2 dot is here. Actually, you don't need to write it. So down here. Then you add. You get 2, 4, dot, 2.42. You must know this, okay? Because you're going back to school, you'll be learning this. Let's say you already studied this, then say, I don't know how to do. Don't say that. Okay, you try the next one.
I don't know what I'm doing like that. Okay. What? I know. Why you do that for?
Come.
I would be so annoying sometimes. Oh, I already erased it. And unmute. So, oh, you will reach teacher.
Yeah, so that we don't get distracted.
Fine.
Okay, come.
3. Yeah, just do the working on book. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 0 and 0. I still know how to do this.
No, you know.
Yeah, I do. 2. I'm supposed to do this again.
Amira Al-Bahar, come on, do.
Tell Umaira to change the name. Rename.
She's pretending to be her mother.
Umaira, don't pretend to be a mom.
I'm not doing on my computer. My computer is lagging too much.
Lagging too much.
My father's.
Yeah.
That is why they use my mother's name. Because my mother's name was already on the computer when I joined.
2. Well, I don't even know why I'm standing. 2.
Better, Auni.
Better. Oh, yeah. Oops.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, those of you who are faster, I'll show you the next question. Okay, okay we have question 2, A, B, C, D 2. Please try. We have not enough time. So what about, Auni, your answer is not correct.
Isn't it?
How many are there here? Oh, you are doing which one? The first one?
Yeah.
First one correct. Okay, this next one. First one I did with you.
Oh. Can we do the next question already?
Yeah, please do.
610.
What about
How to
Amara?
do 610?
Change it to decimal.
How to
You
do this
forgot.
again? I forgot. Forgot all
Okay,
about
those of you have
decimals.
forgot how to change. This is 10, right? So this is
So-
ones, tens. So you put
Okay.
the 6 here. Correct, Umaira, for number A. You put the 6 here, put a 0 here, 0.6.
Then?
That's it, that's your answer. So
What?
down here, 0. Why 0? Because there's no whole number. Down here got whole number, you must put down here, must put 7 before. And then 6 down here, put 6 in the tens place. If you have forgotten what is the place, then we have to revise down here. For example, 1. Well done, Auni.
Then if the mixed number?
Yeah, Auni. Yeah, correct. Yeah. So down here, this is ones. This is tens. This is 100. So mixed number now. If there's 7 here, you must put 7 down here. Before the dot. Before the dot. What about Amara? What about Naomi?
Is it must put the 10 also?
And you don't need only there's now that 0.6, right? So this
Like
one,
that.
yeah, well done, correct. That's why for maths we have to revise all the time because well done. Myra, what is that?
Who finished fastest?
You are the
Me
fastest
or
now.
Maras? Yeah.
Myra, she's writing, I don't know, strange words. So down here, Amara, can you get, this is ones, tens. Put the 6 in the tens place. Down here, there's no whole number, put 0.
Yeah.
Naomi. Before the dot, yeah?
Can you tell us another story later after that we
Okay,
finish the
later.
work?
Let's see. 3.33333. Which one? This one?
What? 3.
Oh, okay, let's see. Hold on. You don't do this. This one's 3. Then this one is all the same now. 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06. This one, Mimi, is 0.06. Then this one, 0.001, 0.002, 0.003, 0.003. Then you have them, add them up, Mimi. Put the 3 down here. Then you put a 0.
Oh, Myra, why when you type you don't just spell out the words? Like why must you just put the
like that.
equation?
Then you may make sure the dot is in the line, 0.003. Then you add them up. You got 3 here, you got 6 here, you got 0 here, and then you got a dot 3. Did you all get this now? Let me check. It's 3.063. Yeah. You all didn't get one. Only down here is 0. The answer is 3.063 for this one. So only you gotta check. No one else do. Aduh.
What?
This one is 3. Down here 0.01, 0.002, 0.003. Can you see now? Only.
Oh, so I accidentally put 1.
So down here now, this is 3.063. Okay, down here, 7 whole, put the 7 before the dot. There's a dot here, right? Down here, there's nothing here. So we put 0 before the dot. Down here, there's 12. So we put 12 before the dot. Then what do we do? 7, put the 7 here. So 9, put 9 here. Okay, well done, Auni Sarah. I do not know about the rest. Amara, where are you, Amara? I have the same one. What same one? What do you have same one? I got the same parrot. Okay. Can you try it on the next two? Write as a decimal. 5 ones, 4 tens. I think you have forgotten. I better show you on the board. Okay, girls, you must remember. Let's see. Anyone can get it right? Can I go toilet? Please, please, please. You want to go toilet? But some of you are going toilet too many times. So what happened? There's a broken pipe. Okay. So now down here, you got to remember where is the 1 tens, 100,000. Where there's a dot, the first number, this is the ones. After this will be the tens with a TH. The next one down here will be the tens, no TH. Then the 100. The next one is 100 with TH. So remember, if let's say they tell you now 7 ones, 3 tens. So you put ones is 7, put 7. 3 tens, put 3 here, that's it. Okay, let's say now they give you another one. They give you like this. 27 tenths. So where's the tenth here? Put the last one, 7 here. Put the 2 here. Okay. So that's how you do it, okay? You try. I do not know where everyone's listening except for Nayumi. Amara, are you okay, Amara? D and E. D and E.
Sure, where's the A? The number, the A punya number question.
No, you're done that already. Done already. You want to write in
5
decimal?
ones, 4 tens.
Yeah, I already show you here. Let's say down here, you must write it down on the board like this. You must know where. Before the dot is ones. After the dot is tenth with a TH. If they ask you for 27 tenth, put the 7 and a 10 and a 2 beside it. If let's say they say like this, 3 ones, 3 ones, and 4 tenth. So you write 3 down here, 4 you write down here. Simple, huh? Very simple.
Why did you join?
Okay, come. Why did Wasim join? Well,
No! Stop scratching. So annoying. Why did I leave the door open?
so do you like your cat more and more? Do you love your cat or you like your cat?
I love my cat, but I also like my cat. I love my cat because it's cute. But I like my cat because he's naughty. He's naughty. He's being naughty right now.
But you can't blame it for being naughty because to them they do not know what naughty is. Because they are animals they don't understand, you see.
5 1 4.
What lovely
He's
hair you
behind.
have, Miss Umaira.
Come here.
Myra, do this one now, Myra.
Wasim, stop it. You're so annoying sometimes. Get down. Don't do the bio. Get down. Oh, oh no. Stay there. Such a weird cat.
You must know where to put it, eh? You must be able to identify the position. Okay, you can have positions like that. And put a dot on here.
Oh,
I don't know where she went. Okay, she went to, I think, Arabia or whatever. Now down here, remember to the left of the dot is always ones. To the right
I hope that's correct.
is tens. Huh? So I hope you are able to do it. Let's see.
I don't know how to do 47 tens.
Okay, we try. So sorry, this is not correct, Miss. Okay, that means you all are confused.
I'm confused. I forgot.
Okay, so now we do one
So
by
long
one.
already.
Long, is it? About 2-3 weeks, no? Yeah, but it's a new topic. So, okay, watch. So, first of all, what we do, we draw the lines like this, spacing, to represent one space, one digit. Okay, so now I'm going to put a dot anyway. I'm just going to put here. Once I put a dot, you must be able to identify where the ones is. Where's the ones? It's always on the left of the dot. So down here now, 5 ones. Put the 5 here. Then the tens, well, beside the ones is the tens with a TH. And this is the one on here, tens, no TH. So now just put 410 here. Lah. So your answer is 5.4. That's it. I have to give you more questions on this. You have forgotten. Huh? This one, same thing. You can just draw whatever stuff, put a dot down here. Where is the tens place? This is the tens place. Put the last digit there. What's the last digit? 7. And then 4 where you put beside it lah down here. 4.7. And that's it. Okay, I will give you more questions later. In fact, I will try to get exam paper and then you try to do, because I think that's the...
You will?
I will. Or maybe next lesson, let's see. Down here now.
Why Omara don't on her video?
I don't know, Lashi. I'm just tired of chasing students. But for sure next year, because this year I do not want to stop everyone. Those who don't follow instructions, next year don't join. Okay, that's why I've been telling. I told that to the Sec 1 class. Alhamdulillah, now all of them turn on the videos and they try their best. And they are really learning, Alhamdulillah.
They are?
Yeah, last time
How do you know?
I observe them. I can see what they're doing.
Oh.
And most of them don't ask to go for toilet break. You know, they're just doing. And they're improving. The same thing. If you don't try your best, you're playing a fool at computer, you're not going to improve. In fact, you're wasting your parents' money. Might as well use it for something else. You can buy ice cream, can buy new pad, right? Instead of passing the money to me, do something useful with it. So we're going to try. So the same thing. I repeat. You just draw a few like that. Put a dot. Let's say I put a dot here. Identify by star. This is 100 with a TH. So this is ones. This is 10 with a TH. This is 100 with a TH. And beside this one is 10, no TH. Beside it's 100. So you don't need to worry, but you look at this one. This is 100 with a TH. This is 100.
With no TH.
So just put this number there lah. Last digit in the last part down here. So you put what? 9 here. And then 1, put here lah. What's the number behind? There's no whole number here, put 0. So 0.19. Okay, you try the next one. Try B on your own. Come on, you can do this. You can do this.
How many weeks has it even been since we just left, since
School.
we were at home? Yeah.
I think 1 month, right? But 1 month, because when the lockdown took place, well done, Auni. When the lockdown took place, it was almost going to be the end of the school term. So
Oh,
1
yeah.
month. Yeah.
And almost the end of May.
Yeah. Auni, the next one is not correct because you must put in the thousands place. Where's the thousands place? You got to draw someone, put in thousands place. So let us try thousands place. If you see where the thousand place is, then you can. Okay, now down here. So this is ones. Auni, 10th, 100. You must have one more, Auni. Auni, you got to have one more. One more what? One more space beside it. So then the result become 1,000 with a TH. Then you put your what there? Your 47, right? Put the 7 down here, 1,000. Then the 4 just beside it. Then this one down here, what do I put? Nothing, because they didn't tell you anything, put 0. And then down here, 6, because there's 6 here. So it becomes 6.047. You try D, you all try D. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. Okay, you can do this. I'm telling you, we Muslims can do very, very well in our mathematics. Congratulations, Auni. What about the rest? You can do it. You can do it, Umaira. Oh, yes, you can. Congratulations. But I also believe you can do all these sums. Umaira, you write answer on B and C down here. What's your answer for B and C? You write on the screen, Umaira.
All right. Can I write on the screen?
No, you already gotten the answer already. You try the next one now. Okay, we are trying to motivate the rest. What about Amara? Amara, are you there? Amara. Can you do not, Amara? You know how to do? Can try. Okay, Cikgu Umaira is going to teach you. Cikgu Umaira, B and C, B and D. Can do on the screen, please.
I saw my trash on the floor.
Come, I only do E and F lah, only.
Okay. This one. There's something happened to the headphone. Oh, I almost jumped off. What happened to the headphone? Mama, this is what you call a headphone.
I don't know. How do you do? I forgot. Don't be like that lah. Come on lah. Okay, what about Amara? Can you do Amara? This one, Amara. Kakak Umaira give up. B. This one, you know how to do? You can do. You can fill up here. This one is 100. Okay, Amara. Umaira. 100. Which place? 100 is here. Put it in lah. The 13 put here. Where you put the 3? You see, this is ones, tens, 100, 10th, 100, 1,000. This is 100 TH. So how? What to do? Very simple. Amara, can do Amara? You know how to do? 3, where we put the 3? Here. Down here, number below, 1,000. Put the 3 here. Then the 1 is beside now. And this whole number beside the dot. So you get 1.13. Myra can do the next one, Myra. Come on. You try to do the next one. Where you put the 7? 0, 1. You write on the screen now.
笑啊你的。错了。我
Come on, Amara. Amara, Umaira. The 7, where do we put? This is 1,000.
the rubbish.
Yeah, please. 7, put here. 0. Yes, yes, well done. Who's that?
What do you do?
Well done, Amara. Well done.
Come on. What's my
That's not Amara, that's Umaira. Okay, so 3107 is correct. How come see Auni is scolding her cat? Okay, let's try the next one. Come on. Naomi and the rest. Naomi and the gang. Come, question number E and F. We don't have much time. We have to do this fast. Okay, later I'm going to show Auni an experiment she can do with a cat. But let us finish this first.
Experiment. He's
Yeah,
sitting on
sitting in your poop.
paper lah, notebook.
Poop. I thought it said sitting on your poop. Why is your poop doing outside there? Okay, come on, girls.
Go down.
Again, you just do a couple of spaces.
When are you going to tell the story? After this, right?
But we finish this one first. I will show you an experiment you can do with your cat. So you can put a dot here.
Oh, experiment.
I'll show you later.
But we want story.
But this one
Yeah, we
is
want story.
better. It's an experiment. You can see what happens to cats.
Okay.
Very, very funny. Trust me, you will see Umaira laughing and laughing and laughing.
Umaira,
you don't try this with the birds. This is only for cats.
Oh, really?
Okay, then you identify. Come on down here. Okay, where do you identify? Identify the ones first. This is ones. Always to the left of the dot. So now you see ones, 8. Put 8 down here, finish. 100. Okay, the next one is 10 with a TH. And then beside it is this one, is the 100th. And what is the 100th? They ask you to do 300. So this is the answer. Is this the answer, Auni? See, Auni don't know where she has gone to. Auni, is this correct? What do we write here, Auni? Or Amara? Or Umaira? See down here, there's no 10th, you know. Kosong. So what do we write?
My bag is just behind there.
She's so distracted, Auni. She's distracted. Come. Auni, this one, Auni, come. 8 ones, we put the ones here. And then 100, we put the 100th place down here. So 10, there's nothing here. What do you do? What do you write? If there's nothing, write nothing, and nothing is 0. Okay, the last one. Come on, the last one down here. Before we go to the next question. Come on. Okay. Maybe I'll write it here. Then you'll be able to see it. Come on. Unless y'all do not know this one. Problem. So you need to identify where the ones is. The ones is always to the left of the dot. I repeat, the ones is always to the left of the dot. This is the dot. To the left of it, there's the ones. Put 2 down here. So beside the ones is what? Is the 10th with a TH. And beside it is the 100 with a TH. And beside it is the 1000 with a TH. So you just fill in the blanks. They tell you now 5 tens. Put the 5 tens here. 1,000. This one is 1,006. So 2.5. Down here there's nothing. 0. 6. Okay, let us see whether any one of you can get it correct. 2.5. Okay, only Auni has done it. So the rest have not done it. So sad. I don't know what you're doing. Okay, can you try now? Last question 4. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment. Question number 4. Can you try, please? Yeah, I'm afraid to show you that video because I'm afraid after that you cannot concentrate. After that you might say, I don't want to do maths anymore. I want to do science experiment with Auni's cat.
Why would you want to do an experiment with my cat?
Okay, Auni, your first one A is not correct. Please try again. That's why you must be able to identify where's the ones, tens, 100,000s. Come on.
1, 10, 100. Oh, I read it wrongly.
Yes, you have written it wrongly. But waiting for Kakak Waira, she's just looking here, looking there. Don't know what she's doing.
She's thinking about something.
And what Adik Amara? Adik Amara. Come on, do it, do it, do it. Someone has written something. Wrong one. Paprika, wrong.
Paprika.
One wrong. New nice paprika. So sorry. Try again. Amara. Come on, Amara. That is thousands. Okay, so you got to identify lah. Okay, I repeat. The ones place is always beside the dot. This is ones. Don't call it honest. This is
honest.
It's ones, not honest. This one beside is 10.
Nice.
With a TH. And then you have the hundreds.
So why you don't want to show us the video?
I'll show you, but you must promise to be able to go back to your lesson later. Don't have to say we do not want, we want to buy cats. And worst of all, they say we want to kidnap Auni's cat. Okay, so 9 is in the 100th place. The digit 6 is in which place? You know what? Beside tens, 100, beside it is what? You all tell me. Ones, tens, 100. No one knows. Come on now. 1,000. With a TH, thousands place. That's the digit 6. Digit 7 stands for 0.7. This one is 0. Okay, I'll show you the video now. Because you all look very bored and I'm very scared. When students get bored, their mind is somewhere else. Like for example, you look at Umaira now. Her body is like that. And then you look at Amara. Don't know what she's doing. Amara, wake up, Amara. Amara don't know what she's doing also. Okay, I'll show you. Don't be shocked, okay? I better put the sound there. Here we go. Now, this is... Maybe... Okay, watch. Watch out, ready,
Funny cats scared of them.
Oh, I know this one. It's the cucumber they get scared.
They're scared of cucumbers.
I know, I saw before.
So you can try this experiment. They put a cucumber behind it. So what you do is you put, while your cat is eating, you put a cucumber behind the cat and see whether what happened after that. But the
I
cat
will try to do it to Wasim. I put something there, but no plastic. No plastic.
Take a video. Take a video.
Nanti kan buka objek deh.
Okay, so I think it's too long now. The video is too long. So you know what experiment to do? Yes? Wasim Ona?
Sorry, Wasim sleeping.
Don't do it now lah. Don't do it now. Later after that, then you take a video next week. You show us, okay? Now we go back to, as we promised, we go back to our maths worksheets. It don't be like that. You are here to study maths. It don't be like this lah.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. When I said that, Umaira said, Umaira, don't be. Okay, come try. Remember how to read this? We do for A only. Can you write down the different readings of A? Okay, Umaira, you can write on top here. You try. Hey, come back. Stop going to other countries. Come back. Come. Amara, you can also write on top here. Amara.
What am I supposed to do?
Okay, this one now, there's 4 of you, right? So
Yeah,
each one will,
four of us.
okay, this one, first one will be Amara.
Okay.
Amara, you write on top here. Next one will be Auni.
Hey,
Next one will be Nayumi.
why? Oh my God.
Umaira.
Yeah.
Umaira, when I ask her to that thing, she will run away. Nah. She's like a cat. Nah. For cats, they are afraid of cucumber. Umaira is afraid of homework. Is it true, Umaira?
Wasim is obsessed with plastic.
Plastic.
Anything to do with plastic.
Okay, Umaira, this is yours to do. Can you write answer here?
Oh my God, you always wanted to annotate, not annotate.
That's a very good idea.
Oh, this is simple. So if she doesn't want to do it, can I do it?
No, like we give her a chance.
Oh,
She's
I
very
don't
good
care.
at this. She's the cikgu, no? Next time when you are big, you are married.
Text.
Well done. Congratulations to Miss Umaira. She has gotten it. Well done. What about the rest? Amara, what's the answer for this? If you cannot write, I'll write for you. But you got to tell me the answer. Mimi. This one over here, Mimi. Who is that? SpongeBob cartoon. Okay.
My turn.
Yes, your turn. Yours is the second one. Only this
Oh,
is yours.
okay.
Amara. You can write it over here, Amara. $4.2. Congratulations, Miss Auni. What about Amara Nayumi? Okay. Then we take over. Umaira, you take care over Nayumi's what if she's not doing. Amara, are you doing, Amara? Can you write it here? If not, Kakak Auni is going to do it for you.
I want to do it. Again, please.
You do it.
Yay.
Let's see whether you are faster than Umaira or not. Congratulations to Miss Umaira. Well done. So you can count out 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.5 here, 4.6, 7, 4.8, 4.9. Well done. 1.5. What about Auni? Umaira, have you tried the cat experiment? Not 5.6 lah. How come you get 5.6?
Oh,
What's that?
sorry.
This is 3.
Sorry.
It's no K. It's KO.
I know.
Well, see, what song are you singing, Umaira?
I'm not
I'm
even
singing
singing.
Gundam. Ah?
I'm not even singing.
You didn't hear that?
Never.
3.3.
Okay, come. Auni, what is it? Auni, come on. 3.1.
Oh
3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. Okay, we were waiting for Amara. Amara did not do it. Auni did it. And now we're going to go through. We try the next one, you know already, right? Can you convert these two fractions to decimal? And go to decimal.
What? Can't convert these fractions to decimals.
Yes, you can do it. You can
How
do
do
it.
we do this? Oh, I think I
You change it to 10 first or 100. So change to 10 now here. Change to 10.
equals to how?
5 times what equals to 10?
Hmm.
5 times? I don't know. 5 times
2.
2. So 2 times 2, you get 4.
I. Why you say
So
what?
after this, what do you get? Auni,
Yeah.
what's the answer? How to change to decimal?
4.10.
Or in the tens place, 0.4. So now this one you change now.
What's in?
Change to 100. Come on, Amara, 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 Amara.
Times 20.
You can do this, Amara. You can do
But
this,
what
Amara.
is 3 times 25? That's a pro.
3 times 25 is 75. So
Oh.
what's your decimal?
So go below lah. You cannot see the below part.
Zero point 0.75. Oh, sorry. 0.75. Okay, this is 0.
Sorry, testing.
Okay, no problem. No, you can test. Now you try the next one. Okay, we don't have much time. We have 2 minutes more. So can you try question C, D, E, F? And that's your last questions. For those who need help, I can write the number you're supposed to times.
No. Testing it again. Anyways. 425. What? How to know the number times what?
You must make it into 100. You must make it to 10, 100. Next one is 1,000. Your place value, remember your place value? 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Those are the numbers you're supposed to make. In this case, you can change to
4
100.
times 4.
This one,
16.
then 16 over 100. So how? Equals
What's
to 0.16.
What's to do this?
You see this one, this 6 is in the hundredths place, right? There, 100. So this 100 place, so put 6 and then the 1. Next one, times what? Times by 5. You get 10. So this one, 5 times what? 5 times 5, you get 25. Well, this number is very big. So what? How do you do? Well, this is in the tens place. Tens is beside the dot here. So 0 point, not 0, blank point blank. 5 in the tens place. The 2 just write it beside 2.5. Correct. Okay. Maybe you all look very bored lah. Okay, we will continue next week with decimals because you're going to start on decimals. All right. Take care, and we wait for Wasim's video later. Bye bye.
Well.